how to get black skin in Roblox app on your Android or iOS device. So that's the iPhone or iPad. It's the same process throughout. So here we're going to start on the home screen of the Roblox app right here. The first thing you want to do is click the bottom middle button where it says avatar. Once you are in the avatar section, then you will want to click on the section at the top where it says customize. Once you're in the customize section, you'll want to then click on head and body at the middle part of the screen. Once you're in the head and body section, you want to click on skin. Once you're in the skin section, then you can see the different color options there. You can pick whichever color you want. As you can see on the screen, there is the black version. Also at the bottom, in like a scrolling motion, you'll be able to change the tone of the skin as so. And you can also click advanced if you want to do a little bit more on different skin parts. But that's how it's done there. Once you go out of that, it will be saved and your character will be as you wish. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for more helpful videos.